Hi everyone! So, I got the Amazon parcel. I have ordered Hong Bee Hair Curling Iron HD818 from Amazon. Let's unbox the product and check the quality. The product packing is good and safe. Let's plug in and check out. This is on and off button. I wanted to try this product since very long. Let me check the result of this color. Wow, it looks so good, right? If you're looking to buy this product, the product link is updated below in description. Bye!